In today's video, I show you guys a fully working 10 plus trainer for Need for Speed Underground 2 that runs smoothly in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod, select the download option, wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, select the download option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here, open this trainer. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Password type trainer. Select OK. Select mark this, do this, and select continue. And after drag and drop these, just right click on this NFS U2 exe and select run as administrator. Select yes, and make this running in the background. I'll show you guys the keys to use this trainer. Just check my video description for this keys to use this mod. For this tutorial, I'm gonna test this. Press the insert key to refill the nitro tank. To check that, make sure the trainer is running in the background and launch the game. Once you are in game, I wasted all the nitro I have. Now to check the trainer, press the insert key in my keyboard, and as you can see the nitro has been refilled, and I'm gonna use it max. Just press the alt key and use it max. Just gonna change this view. As you can see, I'm using ultimate nitro and the trainer works perfectly fine. You need to check other keys and say it in my comment section if everything works perfectly. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.